All right, let's dive into one of the biggest, most mind-bending questions out there. We're going to toss out everything we think we know about the universe's most terrifying objects to ask a pretty simple question. What if you could actually fly into a black hole and make it out the other side?
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. These cosmic monsters, the ultimate points of no return, what if they aren't the end of the line at all? What if they're actually doorways? This isn't just a trip across the galaxy, it's a journey that could totally rewrite our understanding of what it means to exist.
Okay, so first, a quick reality check. We all know the standard science, right? A huge star dies, collapses in on itself into a super dense point called a singularity, and creates a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can get away. That edge is the event horizon, the point of no return. And yeah, that's the scary version we're all taught. But for this trip, let's just pretend we have the tech to look past the fear. So, our journey begins. Picture this. We're in some kind of futuristic ship, totally shielded from all the deadly radiation and gravitational forces swirling around this thing. We are pointed directly at that invisible line in space, the event horizon.
Now, this is where things get really, really weird. For anyone watching you from a safe distance, say your friends back home, it would look like you're slowing down. Your ship would get stretched, turn red, and then just freeze on the edge of the black hole, fading away forever. But for you, inside your ship, you feel absolutely nothing different. Time doesn't slow down for you. You just sail right on across.
And just like that, you're in. You've crossed the event horizon. There was no giant wall, no crazy explosion, not even a signpost. It was a totally seamless crossing into a new part of the universe where, well, all the old rules are about to get broken. And here it is, the most fundamental, brain-twisting shift of all. See, out here, in our normal lives, we can move anywhere we want in space, left, right, up, down. But time? We're all stuck on a one-way street into the future. Inside a black hole, that flips. The pull toward the center, the singularity, isn't a direction in space anymore, it is the future. Getting there as unavoidable as the next second on your watch. So, if the singularity is your inevitable destination, what is it exactly? Well, in our scenario, it's not some infinitely dense point that's going to crush you. No. Instead, it's a spot where space-time is so ridiculously curved that it actually folds back on itself, creating what scientists call an Einstein-Rosen bridge, but we all know it by its cooler name, a wormhole. So, the key thing here is that this wormhole isn't just a simple shortcut. It could lead, well, almost anywhere. You might pop out billions of light years from home, still in our universe. Or you could get thrown into the distant future, or maybe even the past. And then there's the biggest possibility of all. You might just break through into another universe entirely, a whole different reality. The experience of traveling through this thing would be, well, you'd have no words for it. Light would be bending so strangely you could literally look straight ahead and see the back of your own ship. The tunnel wouldn't feel cramped. It would feel impossibly huge and distorted. And time. Time would be going nuts. A few minutes passing for you could mean thousands, maybe millions of years had passed for the universe you left behind. You know, a journey like this, it wouldn't just change where you are in the universe. It would have to fundamentally change you. The physical trip is one thing, but the real question is, what happens to your consciousness? I mean, think about it. Our entire sense of who we are is built on time, moving forward in a straight line, and reality being, stable. What happens when both of those things are warped beyond recognition? The border between your mind and the universe itself could just start to dissolve. You wouldn't just be an observer anymore. You'd become a literal part of the cosmic fabric. And this leads us to an even bigger, more profound idea. What if coming out of a black hole isn't just arriving somewhere new, but it's like witnessing the birth of a universe? Some theories actually suggest that every black hole could hold the seed for a new Big Bang. So traveling through one would be like witnessing creation itself, from the inside. If travel like this were actually possible, it would completely rewrite the human story. I mean, everything we think we know about our place in the cosmos would be turned upside down. It's a genuine revolution in what it means to be alive. Instantly, the universe would feel so much smaller. All those unimaginable distances between stars and galaxies, the speed of light barrier, it all becomes kind of irrelevant. We wouldn't be slowly crawling across the universe anymore. We'd be zipping through it, using its hidden backroads. And the philosophical impact is just staggering.
If you can travel through time, what does death even mean anymore? If your consciousness can touch other realities, who are you, really? We'd have to accept that our entire universe is just one chapter in a library with an infinite number of books. Our reality is just a small part of this incredible, ongoing cosmic creation. And I guess that's the ultimate takeaway here. The event horizon, the singularity, these things we see as absolute terrifying endings. But maybe, just maybe, they're not endings at all. Maybe they're just the universe turning itself inside out to reveal the next beautiful, unbelievable beginning. Kind of makes you think, doesn't it?